she looks like a star. Yeah, she's got the style that makes you think she's made out of gold. She says she likes it better when we go off-road. Yeah. I'm gonna make it worth your while. I'm gonna make it worth your time. Gonna make it worth your while. When she's with me, we're like superstars. Windows roll down, radio on. I think we could go far. We don't need money. We can skip that.
So his mother was a principal and his daddy was a teacher. Lord have mercy. He must bright then. Careful, I wanna say, you know. My name father is a police and his mother is a teacher. Anyways, associated with Bullway Headwater Spring Company. He's a Miller who need to know. And Glenn Miller is in the crowd. Glenn, if you believe him, clap him, clap him, clap him.
All I want is her to be with me. She's got a ticket to my heart. The sky is blue, I got the sun in my eyes. It can't get better than when she makes that smile. Yeah, she's got that style that makes you think she's made out of gold. She's turning up the volume on the radio. Yeah. I'm gonna make it worth your while. I'm gonna make it worth your time. I'm gonna make it worth your while. When she's with me, we're like superstars. Windows roll down, radio on. I think we could go far. We don't need money. We can skip that part. All I want is her to be with me. She's got a ticket to my heart. Ticket to my heart. Uno, dos, tres, yo.
Yes, thank you. Come up closer with the camera. In the meantime, 2 minutes.
It's especially northern Clarendon. Got us a big respect to Miss Robinson.
Even the very young ones, the enthusiasts, we are very much wanting.
Incentive is sponsored by the Clarendon Municipal Corporation, headed by yours truly, Mr. Damian Crawford. Thank you.
It's DJ Military Links.
Everything from London, Bond Street, nothing ever come from China. Every day me I swap them. Like me, not my cars, I'm boy like you, I want to.
We have from Amber, the snow cone, popcorn, all the words.
Friends all family them check. Everything alright, Joe. Come on, go party. Come on, hold on. And so what?
Uno, dos, tres, yo.
All the time that government and private enterprises will find jobs instead of job. I want to
Across the parish, that we have provided training and outfitted with grants so that they can.
Videographers, down here.
Sneakers and clothes. Yeah man, can order in any color, you know. For them like an even occasion, they can wear it anyway. But it is all about multi-thing, you know. I'm going to go to the upscale. So I know that she got shop. African print with Jenny. African print shirt, you know. And pin one shirt there. Go and beat it. And you know all of it is all about versatility, all kind of design, you know.
One out there for four guys there. Just
Man. Yeah.
the one with lime.
Business, and their business is Fox Events. And let's turn the mic over to one of our representatives who's going to tell us a little bit more about Clarendon Fox Events and Decor.
Good evening, everybody. CJ Foxton, the owner of Fox's.
I saw it coming. I guess it had to be done. Our love was fading, like snowflakes on my tongue. This time it's the rain. I can feel it in the air. It's time for a celebration. So let's do something crazy. Grab my hand and I'll show you funny. Something crazy. I know you want to. You give me feelings that I'd never thought I would feel. You give me meaning. It is too good, this can't be real. This time it's the pain. I can feel it in the air. It's time for celebration. So let's do something crazy. Grab my hand and I'll show you funny. Something crazy. I know you want to. Something crazy. Grab my hand and I'll show you funny. Something crazy. I know you want to. Saw it coming, it had to be done. I was fading like a snowflake on your tongue. Saw it coming, it had to be done. Love was fading, love was fading, fading, fading. Something crazy. Something crazy.
Like, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification button. Hey yo, we always up to something.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.